was a company that Nancy hired to clean the drain board, and they sent all the way out, and it was in my yard. So they went into the manhole on the other side, and it was like 20 feet from the manhole. It was right in my yard.
Yeah. See, there's roots throughout all of them right now. You know, in her part, that's her part alone, and her part, that's her part alone. You know what I mean? So
are you further along here? So when you stopped, it was because you hit resistance, you couldn't get further.
right, it's just not worth pushing the camera anymore. You're just breaking it.
So right now, are you pulling it? You're not pulling it back, are you? Or?
Yep.
Oh, you are. Okay.
Yep. And then we'll try to work it to the third house and see what's going on.
And then go from there.
I don't know if we're gonna do it with the manhole out today. It's probably frozen down. Under a bunch of snow, I can't even see it out there. We'll see if we can stop it. Depending on how deep it is and stuff like that.
So you're saying you were 90, you took the right turn and you're 90 feet down this.
Yeah, like 90 feet
You
from
got
that wall right
You got
there.
into the common line. Into the sewer.
Yeah, the common line I think is only
From
a
her
few
house.
feet out.
Yeah, okay.
And you're water the whole way. Is it watery the whole way over here?
All the way, what's that footage at, Al? 26? So,
It's looser enough.
well, it's just hard to say if it's because of the blockage or, I mean, even here, we came up out of water at 26, now we're going back down. You know, so there's no point in lining that pipe even like from here out because we know that it's going uphill. You know what I mean? So, you know, it would just, you know, sure, lining it would make it nicer. Yeah, that's that turn you thought it was. That was a good call. You know what I mean? Lining it would make it nicer and give it a little more life, but you're gonna spend a bunch of money, you know, it's not really the right answer because it's still gonna have that pitch and problem and stuff. So,
I'm pretty sure the city's gonna have
Yeah, because we've been working with the city council and the chief engineer, the sewage engineer, on this whole thing about how to, who's going to take responsibility for it.
right.
And the engineer, Kelly Moriarty, was really confounded by the whole thing about how this was all set up in the first place back in whatever, 1930.
Sure.
So, Leah said, or you said that you worked on
Shared line.
other shared lines.
Or the one that I shared.
Yeah, because when I called you that day, you were
Yep,
being
there's
another,
still one.
yeah.
You know, I mean, we've done, I mean, it depends on what you want to call shared line. There's another term that's referred to as a breach sewer.